Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie, and today we're going to do another short video on a plant of the week. This plant is going to be a shrub. It's called Viburnum bodnantense, and the actual name of it is Pink Dawn. And as you can see, it's mid-March, and we have some gorgeous pink blooms already on this shrub. Let me give you a closer look so you can see what they look like. So this is my Pink Dawn Viburnum. Mine is rather small. It's several years old, but it's been taken over by my junipers. It also gets an extreme amount of shade, so it really has not put on a lot of growth. But it is covered in the beautiful pink blossoms that I love so much. Yeah, I love the blossoms on this. It's absolutely gorgeous. They start blooming around February. And then we've got these gorgeous leaves. Now, the only thing I don't like about this shrub is that it smells like a skunk. So don't put it in a path where you have to brush up against it very often. But it is an absolutely gorgeous shrub to have around. Now, this type of viburnum is a larger shrub. Mine is small because it's mixed in with the juniper and it gets a ton of shade. But if you put it in the right area, which is part shade, it will get quite large, 8 to 10 feet tall and about 8 feet wide. It does take part shade. It will not tolerate full sun, but it gets absolutely gorgeous leaves in the summer. They are kind of crinkled, and in the fall it has a gorgeous fall color. When you read the literature, it is supposed to get blue berries. Mine has never formed berries, and it's probably because it's in full shade. So if you have the size spot for a large shrub, it's in part shade, go ahead and try this. The Pink Dawn is absolutely gorgeous. Go have a wonderful garden adventure.